Alright guys, we got something in the mail. It's from UAH. UAH. Oh god. Alright. So we got the wireless pet fountain stainless steel. I think they're ready to open it for me. You gonna help me open it? Hey guys, today I have an awesome product from UAH. It is a wireless pet fountain stainless steel which help prevent bacteria unlike traditional water bowl. It takes 5 hours to fully charge and it has a long battery life. It is easy to set up, it has cheap replacement, and the motor is separate from the water so you don't have to worry about shocking your fur babies. There are two modes, time and motion sensor. Which I like to use is the motion sensor, so anytime Rock, Ruby, or the jelly beans come near it, it will turn on. Link to this product is in the description. Make sure to check them out because they have an amazing sale during the holiday seasons. Make sure to use our promo code RubyRock101 for special discounts. Open that, Rock. Come on, Ruby.
Help them one hand. They ready. They thought they're present.
They already had their present. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Check this out. Check this out, guys.
Ruby is ready.
Okay. So we got the stainless steel wireless fountain. Here we go. We take this out. Stainless steel electric water bowl. Okay, Rock's gonna help me with this. We got it open already. Alright, thank you. Let's see what else is in here. Let's see. Whoa! It's a show for Rock. That's for you, Rock or Ruby. Alright. Okay, I'm hurrying it up. So inside you got a charging cable right there. So we got a couple filters, 3 filters, I believe. So here's the main unit right here. Main unit. Hello, hello. Hello? Who that? Who that? This fountain is made of stainless steel and you don't have to worry about the bacteria building up or anything like that that can be in the regular normal water bowl that everybody has. So this one you don't have to worry about that. Right, Ruby? You guys like that? Is it good? That's so neat, guys. So the water goes up here, out from there, comes in here, circulate to the filter and come back out.